Hi Key, can I get few minutes from you to watch this reel? So I'm making this reel because I have a request. Before that, I want to tell you that I love your products. I have so many products from you, and especially this moisturizer and sunscreen. I just love it, and the sunscreen I love the most because I have tried so many sunscreens, and after that, I have found my final one, which I'm going to use forever, I think. So the problem is this is a hard tube, and after a limit I cannot squeeze it. So once it is over, but something is inside, but I cannot cut it because it is hard. I cannot squeeze it because again it is hard. Some of the product is getting wasted inside it, and if you love some product and if you're trying to afford it, so you would love to use every bit of it, and that I'm not able to do with this because these are like hard packagings. And now this is such a amazing packaging because it's very soft tube, so I can squeeze it like this and take out the product, and I can even cut it because it's so soft. So if I want to use it completely, so I can cut it and take out the every single bit of it and I can use it. That is not possible in this case because these are hard tubes. So there are many people who cannot afford, but they are still buying it because they love the product because it works for them. So there are many people who are on budget and then they really would like to use every single bit of their favorite product. So I think it's fair enough if you give that chance to them and allow them to use the product entirely. It will reduce the product wastage and it will be worth for the money because I'll be able to use the entire product I'm paying for. So this is a small request. Can you please change the packaging like this for this sunscreen? And the people who are watching this reel, please comment if you feel the same and tag Dot and Key. And if you feel it's not that big issue and you all are fine with it, so just let me know. I'll also try to make my peace with it and I'll just manage with it because I love this sunscreen, and even if they don't change the packaging, I'm going to use it. But I would love to use it completely. So Dot and Key, if you can please consider this request, I'll be more than happy, and like many people like me who think the same, they will be happy too. So yeah, please think about it and thank you.